I didn't do Casey.
I beg you make you shake your body.
Easy bit, don't do. We'll not get that.
Dance to my brother song. I go Kalava. I see Cosvilla Pabio. Oh, it has money. In my belong for Lagos. She's if at oh, if not oh, my brother. That song. Yummy.
Una, good evening and welcome to the night show for today. Will be January 7, 2015.
January on the go.
On top of Wazobia TV, channel 195 for your start times. My name is Nedru and I got him 9 day right here with me.
Hello.
And of course, the DJ Easy Beat. And they on top in turntable.
Zagazao.
Zagazao.
Yay. Oh. Yo.
Today's show go sweet, die.
Cha.
Today's show go sweet, die.
Yeah, daddy.
Fem, give the phone number. For those of you who want call, una fit begin the right number now, begin the call now.
Yes,
so phone number.
Listen very carefully. Ado 01 277 2195.
Ado
01 277 7195. I don't ado 01 277 8195. The number on your television screen right
Ado, in case you not get them, the number there on top of your TV now. Ado. Now, today on the night show, the topic we will discuss on top now. In fact, when they give us double toilet to Kamos, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you.
Much.
Now, when they give us this gist, we say we must discuss. Not what we want to talk about today be this. We don't switch what we want to talk about, but as they give us the gist, we say we could change them sharp. We could discuss that one.
You don't change them?
We don't change them now.
Yeah, Nerun, so for saying I'm going to I don't plan my answer to all
Hold on, sorry.
You know they do this thing now. You for they carry me along.
Sorry. Now, what we want to talk about on top today's show, now say, he get one woman, real life story. He get one woman when he be say, she get 2 daughters. Now, these 2 daughters, one na 18, one na 20. Now, them be they a little younger when when the woman they with them. Their papa be don't die, tete. So now they train them. Now, when the woman now can't die, the sister of that woman can't carry the woman, keep for house. Now, mind you, this sister will keep the woman for house, will keep the children for house. She gets her own son. So 3 of them can't they live together.
Now that is the woman's son and the 2.
This her sister, 2 children. Can't they live together?
Our nieces.
Now this person will give us this information. They hear, they watch everything. He can't find out later. Say the 2 girls, the one will be 18 years and the one will be 20 years, don't get belly. And now her son, now give them the belly. Now the wahala where they ground now be say this lady. I don't even call her name.
Why Neru?
Sorry.
No, Nkiru can her second name. No call the first
name. Now this lady now she don't know what she go do. Now make them come out to the picking or make them leave the 2 girls, make them born. If they come out to if they leave the 2 girls, make them born. According to them, na shame if they bring to their family.
Na taboo now.
You don't in English they call incest. Now what you go be for the family? If now you be the woman will keep them for house, what thing you go do? You go say make them keep the belly, abi you go say make them come out. And if you dey call us, our phone numbers go there on top TV now. Make you call us. Another thing when you go tell us if you call us now say next week Wednesday. Now who be the music artist for Nigeria? Where you go like make you bring come the show.
Come the show. So the power code una hand. So anything una go tell us una go on top Twitter at W Night Show. We go read them come out for year. W Night Show. You find Neru Wasopia FM. For there you find me Catherine Obiang. On top Twitter. So we sit down with the way you are tweet.
Now the guest we will come get today on top the night show. Ogbonge artist. She the act film. She's an artist. Now her
Black
name
is beautiful.
Black beauty. Kira Haywatch.
Hey.
Her name. Kira,
People
he watch or he watch?
Kira he watches or Kira he watches. Kira, I don't know that kind of name, but I hear say she from Calabar that time.
Now your sister now?
Oyibo they rule them that time. I don't know when.
When Oyibo they rule them,
They give them
Oyibo
those
come
kind
carry
name.
Papa as slave.
Give them those kind names.
So her papa and grandpa are slave now.
He remains small. If no be caught, he just be say that thing no dey.
I hear say as the girl they act film. Say then they tell her say make she go bleach because she black well.
She black, he black like the night, like this. He black past this our table like this. He black, but he fine. Her black fine.
This
but
one,
they don't like him. You see this market.
Now, make we tell her now. For not be this one, not be our usual amebo. This one are true. Then tell her make she go bleach. Now,
say make she go bleach. Make the code see I'm wearing.
make she yellow like a Tonto Dike, or make she yellow like a Mona Lisa Chenda.
Make it yellow like Kim Kardashian.
Now, the problem with that be say this girl say no, but she don't try to bleach.
The bleaching no work.
It don't work because her skin be like elephant skin, be like horse. It be like horse skin. It not really work. Now, for those of you where they there, we want bleach. For those of you where they there now, we want bleach. You ask yourself, what am I going to do? My skin be like a donkey. Oh, don't worry. Help is near.
Yes.
Help is near. Carry your biro now.
We don't write those things down. Need to go tell you right now.
I will tell you right now. Carry your biro. Now, look for cup, plastic cup.
Red plastic cup.
Red plastic cup.
Ndandara plastic cup. Red plastic cup.
If you use white to blue, it not go work.
You can spoil them.
Red plastic cup. Then make you look for
ugu leaf.
Dry them. When you don't dry them, grind them. Pour them for inside the cup. Then look for salt. Fresh salt.
Just teaspoon. Only teaspoon.
One.
Measure them well.
One for inside them. Then look for diesel. Carry 2 teaspoons of diesel. Pour for inside them.
Then you could come turn them with that teaspoon inside.
Then leave them for 2 days.
Yes.
Make it not pass 2 days. Then after that 2 days, you can look for carbide. Put carbide inside. Then look for petrol. So that you go fit gum.
Yes.
You go fit get that gum feel.
Yours very small.
Just sprinkle petrol. Sprinkle them. Then drink them.
Yes.
My sister.
The bleach.
The bleaching.
Hey, now be here. You could come the colors they thank us.
You go the thank us.
Now because we no one bleach. That is why.
We like our color. That make us no one bleach.
If not
be so. Anyway, make we back smash. Anyway, make a bass more chicken break for here. In case you want to follow us talk, phone numbers there on top TV right now. Make you call. Contribute to that topic. If you just they join us, the way we talk about be say woman where they her house with her sister 2 daughters, her own son can't give the 2 daughters belly. If you be woman, waiting you go do.
Chai.
You go say make them come out to the belly, abi you go say make them keep the belly. Meaning say na your pikin na give them the belly. How you go take do am? We go back small chicken break for here. Make una watch Olamide video. I want goons me.
Oh,
I want goons me.
Hey,
DJ Easy Beat goons me. Katim goons me.
Yo,
all of una where they there goons me. We they come back on top the nice week. No be goons.
YBNL presents. Hola, mi devano.
Try sound goons me, I'm a recruit me. I don't only keep my parrots and they keep it cool me. So, big up selling in the hood me. Tobacco bajina too, I'm around goons me. Try sound goons me, I recruit me. I don't only keep my parrots and they keep it cool me. So, big up selling in the hood me. Tobacco bajina too, I'm around goons me. Boca, bajina come found goons me. Boca, bajina smash found goons me. Boca, bajina so risi come along. Bajinot, come found goons me. Bajinot, bitch found goons me. Bajinot, risi, come along. Bajinot, Emmanuel Mokasi, our lead master. With a bang in every hood, with us our bastard. If I go to Rawaya, Male to Supa, immediately Lazi Beru, me and Bami Kosuka. Jesus Christ, my nigga, yes, súnmọ́ ṣe miracle. Samson ò mọ̀ níbọn kò máa sá nígbà tó rẹ́kùn. Èmi chase dream mi mọ̀ kí ẹbẹ̀ ní bọ́dí kún. Èyí ò pò náà kọ̀ǹdà ó yẹ kókó tẹ́fẹ́ kún. Àwòdì jẹun èpè sanra èmi bẹ́ṣu èmi fa. Èyí lè ṣọ èmi farabalẹ̀ mo jẹ́rọ èmi ńlá. Èmi parí olódo jẹ́ ìtayín lólobó. Ọlọ́pàá lè máa gùn sí mi yẹn mọ̀ sáà tẹ́ bá rí mo bó. Àwọn ọlọ́kọ̀ sílẹ̀ kò fọ́lẹ̀. They don't wanna see the boy rolling. Mo rap, mo kọrin, mo kíngì, mo wọlé. Mama terrorize yìí, mama pressurize yìí. Kiri dé tẹ̀lá ní mọ́lẹ̀ ta ló mẹ́rọ rice yìí. Bitch! Sound goons me, I'm a recruit me. I'm lonely, keep my parrot and keep it cool me. So, big up best selling in the hood me. The back of Bajina too, I'm around goons me. Shara sound goons me, I'm a recruit me. I'm lonely, keep my parrot and keep it cool me. So, big up best selling in the hood me. The back of Bajina too, I'm around goons me. Boca! Bajina's come, found goons me. Boca! Bajina's bitch, found goons me. Boca! Bajina's a risky, come on, love. Bajina's, Boca! Bajina's come, found goons me. Boca! Bajina's bitch, found goons me. Boca! My cat, my son, my conca. Come in, Bajina's. I came into the game with that better than you hood. Mother bit on my ebo, than the content, and the goods. As a from Batman, Balami days, Robin Hood, they been for me, mother, Parabia, my food.
Yo, I want goons me. Yo, I want goons me.
Goons. I want goons. I'm not even a goons.
No, they interrupt my flow. I want goons me. Yo, I want goons.
Anyway, Una, welcome back to the night show. What will they discuss today for the night show? In case you want to follow us, talk, call us for phone. Our phone numbers will show on top TV right now. Make you call us. What will they discuss? Be say, you day house, your sister, you be woman, your sister die and leave her 2 daughters with you. Your own son will be say day your house.
You carry the children, can't stay for
you
your
understand?
House. Your son can't give them belly inside
your
the
son
house.
can't give them belly. You be Christian. You no one commit abortion. Waiting you go do. You go keep the belly. Abi you go say make them come out to the pikin. Waiting you go do. Call us for our phone numbers. But first of all, make we talk to Easy Beat. Easy Beat. If now you be this woman.
Easy Beat na man, you know fit be the woman.
No, okay, Easy Beat. If now you,
instance,
if for instance example now, I want to get now. If now you now, kilo mache. Kilo mache now.
Okay.
Oh, but see, let me tell you something now. In it, Toba face or Yoruba. Toba Iwa, because people oh man be milady. Well, kilo nchele. Nedu oh man speak Yoruba. Every once of one, every man speak Yoruba. Oh me on
Yeah, mechanu.
Toba mbe ni Lagos. Toba fe kwa akwa mbo. Oh balande.
Akpongbo.
Akwa mbo. Easy Beat. Sorrow biko. Me on man che bere gi question. Oh man dami run listen. So if now you what you go do?
Well, as for me, as that thing be so, a very, very, very tight corner they put that lady.
Okay.
So, number one, the best thing to do, don't say God not support them. The best thing to do now to just allow them kukuma get abortion.
Okay.
Because if not, trust me, in future terms, the yawa, the katakata where they go cause, you go past the one we don't already do.
So what you try talk now be say make them come out the pikin.
Make them remove them just to avoid so that in fact if they don't remove them, the 3 of them their future don't spoil with that. The stigma would not follow them. So if they remove them, at least they still get
some kind of future.
So now my own opinion be that one. No.
Okay, somebody there online. Good evening. Efosa.
Yes.
Efosa, good evening. How you doing?
Fine. I the call from Orile.
Okay, Efosa, how you doing today?
I dey fine.
So if now you, Efosa, talk true, what you go do?
Waiting me I suggest where they go do. Probably make the 2 sisters give birth to the 2 children.
Okay.
Then the mother will have to take care. Will have to take care of the 2 children.
Okay.
And the mother of the boy will impregnate the 2 sisters.
Yes.
So you have to take care of them and make sure say they grow very well.
Okay.
And later they should find out about the truth.
Okay, thank you, Efosa. Okay, Efosa, I'm going to ask you now, who be the artist where you go like make you bring come last week Wednesday?
I think probably Fino. You go bring Fino now.
Fino, Ngwano, no problem. Thank you.
Okay.
Good night.
Fino fine, no?
That
thing.
Back to our guest.
No, back to we never even tell the people say she don't come sit down now.
Now I want tell them now. Iwe gide oko dajuo. Till oman big ninu. Come on, Binu.
No first.
Big ninu oman binu.
So no verse now.
Anyway, our guest don't sit down for inside studio. Kira he watch or hey watch. Amamo, your partner say watch before.
Now, very good question. No.
You welcome to night show.
Kira, welcome to our house. So now, so what they do for you?
Okay, thank you. I feel strange because I'm speaking.
Speak pidgin. I'm making a call. Speak pidgin. Hey, who is meeting you now? When to make you laugh?
Now
Now?
you
Shut up, Joe.
You are blushing for me.
Shut up.
I laugh again.
Nedu, now you they tickle am.
See, now me get how mumu button. Happy am here now. If I come match am now, I don't do. No only finger take the do. Hi! Oh God, I thank you for this anointing. When I touch women, they laugh anyhow.
Hey, Nedu, you know they serious at all. I don't think believe say me fit down here, they laugh this kind of year that.
In case you just dey join us, what will they discuss be say woman wey carry her sister wey don die children put for house, her own son wey dey for house,
Can't give them belly the 2
the
kills.
2 girls belle. If na you, wetin you go do? Phone numbers dey on top TV. Make you call us. But make we ask Kira he was just in case, just for
Yours
those
for
of una-
Kira.
For Kira, those of una wey don't know, Kira na actress na she be. Lucky Wives wey be the ogbonge season TV series where they go around the world now. She dey for inside am. And her name.
You don't do many other.
Okay, Beatrice from Jos.
Yeah, Beatrice.
Beatrice.
Hello?
Beatrice, how are you? Ya keke.
Fine.
Ya yo, ya aiki, ya arukochi.
Beatrice, you remember
Yo,
there?
thank God.
Family mbonu for audio there.
Hello?
So Beatrice,
Oh,
tell
I
me.
everything now.
Beatrice, if now you be this woman, what you go do?
If not me, oh, I go leave am, make them born the pikin, oh.
Okay.
But
But now you remember saying now your sister pikin, now your sister
if na
daughters.
me, I go leave am, make the ladies born the pikin. After them born and finish, then I go.
You dey laugh.
You they laugh.
Kevin ato ya.
No,
Kilo
what I mean by if na me, I go make sure say them born the pikin.
Okay.
Then I go make sure say the mother of the guy. Make
Okay.
sure say she take good care of the pikin
Okay.
as those pikin go grow.
Okay.
Then I go make sure say she find husband for them.
So the
We go marry
pikin.
them.
Okay, Beatrice, thank you. So the pikin now, Nenumi, I think I'm well. So the pikin now, in uncle go be in papa.
Your uncle go be papa.
Hey! Yoruba go say war.
Anyway, Beatrice, next week Wednesday, now which artist you want make you carry come studio?
Eh?
Which artist you want more carry come studio next week Wednesday?
Which singers?
Mona bring the video.
Davido. Okay, no wahala. Thank you very much. Good night, Beatrice.
All right, thank you.
Sleep well, oh.
Sleep well, oh.
The God keep you safe.
Eh.
Sorry, let me ask a question. Was it the name? Is it Beatrice or Beatrice?
Beatrice.
Beatrice.
Okay.
Beatrice.
Just checking.
Beatrice. Abi Beati. Is it Beatrice or Beati? It's Beatrice. Now, Kira, welcome to Night Show. Kira, don't do Lucky Wives. Which other movies you don't do again?
Hey, Kira don't do
I
plenty
don't
film,
plenty.
oh. You don't do Murder at Prime Suite. You don't do
Correct.
After the Proposal. You don't do and every time they do with that man wearing being husband for inside Lucky Wife. That man Tony, name na Victor. Every film when they do na them together.
Hey, for inside Lucky Wife, you be You know those guys when they sell them body for money. Now what you be for inside the film? How the work when you they do the work before you call the tire? How the work be?
Shemina, for inside the film you talk.
Yes.
You see any Ashawo walk for inside?
Okay, before we continue for the film, this woman now, if not you, what you go do?
You sure say this thing not happen to you? As when they use better use now. You just come
No, the woman they watch. She dey sorry, madam, sorry, sir, I call your name. I beg no vex, sir, I call your name. If now you, what you go do?
no ask me on it.
If you ask me, now who I go ask?
Well, I don't ask you now. You dey inside the situation.
Okay.
Then you what you go do?
See,
I dey ask you
honestly, it is a difficult question.
Because the Peking uncle go be in papa.
Hey, uncle go be
The
in
Peking
papa,
mommy.
go be in grandmother,
Chai.
and I see her the Peking auntie go be the Peking grandmother.
Hey.
Zubi from Abuja. Before we come to you, Kira, Zubi from Abuja. Zubi, did it day or didn't they? Okay, it don't go. So back to you, Kira.
Okay.
If now you talk true, as you take do you for body, because if now me I know what I go do. Now I know what, as a new woman, I know what I'm going to do.
When you go kill them.
I know what I'm going to do. Kira, what thing you go do?
Then go just burn the pikin, no ne. Then go just burn them.
You know say if them
The pikin no go shame.
make we talk true. Make we not like give ourselves. Everybody say they go burn the pikin, you go burn the pikin. You know say na shame. It go be for the family. Very big shame.
It doesn't.
You not reason that one.
No, it's not.
A shame. Number one, the boy, which is the father of those children,
Yes.
he don't get stigma.
Exactly.
The girls don't get stigma. When the children grow, they don't get stigma.
They don't get stigma.
The mama, he don't get stigma.
You
As
understand?
in,
Okay, but Shebin and Naija will they talk.
Go ahead.
I agree.
May we talk to ourselves. Oh.
Because it's Naija. Do you understand? But to say na, I don't know. More. Let me not say that we are not civilized, but a more civilized country.
Like America.
Then go burn the pikin.
those people, let me know
Small
you,
matter.
those people, their own issue tight. We're talking about here. You know
Here,
the feel
this one.
Even
No,
ESF,
no.
even
See,
ESF, think about it. Oh, even ESF, you get people where no get pikin, when no get children.
okay.
So my own is that born the pikin. It's not a big. The belly don't enter already. Don't enter. Born the pikin. Then they carry the children. Go give person where they
to
find
adopt.
pikin.
Wait. Make them carry pikin go give person wey go adopt. Person wey born pikin wey know say in pikin dey somewhere nko. One day the pikin go ask say who be my mama true
Yes,
true.
I won't meet them.
He won't meet their mama. He go meet their mama nko.
Okay.
How far for that one?
Okay.
But
What is the lesser of two evils? Will you snuff out a life that should have a chance to? I mean, come on.
two life, oh, he gives the two kills.
Exactly.
That guy.
You know?
Nah, I wish to see you. I wish to see you. Yeah, Anyway, in case you just join us for the show, the waiting with the discussion about before we come back to Kira, may she give us what she go do. We will discuss say this woman before she died, she carry her two daughters, give her sister, knowing fully well say she would die. Give her her sister, make them take care of the two daughters. Now the two daughters now not gonna grow. One are 18, one are 20 years old. The woman now where then they stay with, will be their auntie, will be their mama's sister. The son, now he can't give two of them belle. If they wipe this one, they wipe this one. Then two get belle at the same time.
Yeah,
now this woman now don't they confusion.
He don't know what to do.
She don't know what she go do.
At all.
This woman why they follow talk so now. This woman they watch now. Make she know what she go do. Whether make she say make them come out to the belle because if she say, according to how say if she keep the bikini, he saying a shame it go be for her family. If they not keep the bikini, how far? Na killing, na and she na Christian she be.
If he go come out the belly now, the pikin go come die or
You understand? So if na you, wetin you go do? Call us for phone. Our phone numbers go show on top TV now. And then if you don't on top Twitter, follow us talk on top Twitter as well. Onodu go from First Tag.
Ledu,
Oh hey, Ogam, good evening, sir.
I greet you there.
How is the
we
ministry?
greet you, oh.
Fine, thank you.
Onodugo, if now you be this woman, you did this woman situation now.
Waiting you could advise
Waiting
her.
you go advise her
Or
to
waiting
do.
you say go do.
Wait, in fact, she dey here. In fact, the question I go ask you, what you go advise her to do?
Yeah, brother.
You dey here. Hello, Onodugo. If now you, what you go advise the woman to do?
The thing where I got advice to say, what in they there to say, make them born the pikin.
Make una
Okay.
talk
People
true.
say, you talk awful. Anything where is being said.
Okay.
It don't happen.
Okay.
It don't enter.
Okay.
Make everybody, make them, that's one be lesson for them. Because if you say, look, they do this, make them do this, or make them do that. Tomorrow again, you go get them like say they're simple. But if you just them born them, if now they go give them to baby this, they give all the them go train them, make them train them, but make them born them.
Okay. Okay. So if now you make them born the pikin, but the question I want to ask Onodugo, what of the shame we go do on top of the family?
You say?
What of the shame we go do on top of the family?
The shame, the stigma, how people go to look them.
Not you catch them now. We want to that shame.
But he go catch the pikin too. If those children, if them born, he go catch the children
You
too.
understand?
Huh?
The shame go catch the children too as them born come they grow.
And now they talk, they catch the children. You know catch the mother and the father.
Before they do Amabi.
You don't catch the children.
Anyway, Onodugo, thank you very much. Thank you, Onodugo. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, okay. Before we go break, now on top Twitter, Basanya Kabiru Tunde, he say, na real problem with this issue where they ground. If them go at bottom and they both go die, if they are bottom where the two girls can't die, I beg make them leave the belly and make them born the pikin. We got back small chicken egg for here. Make DJ Easy Beat give us small music before Okada Waka enter market. Still on top of the next show, we they come back.
Man, that's it.
Chop the banana, oh, come and chop the banana, banana, to the right, your way, to the right, your way.